What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I teamed up with Live.tube because they approached me and they said, like, Alex, we have a really cool platform to grow fast and easy on YouTube using our domain system. So I tried it out with my own custom domain and I've seen massive growth on YouTube in my analytics. So how this essentially works is you can get your own domain name through the first link in the description, and after you completed all the steps you can just use this domain to redirect people to your YouTube channel, to different pages, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how that works. Okay, so for this time I picked JustAlexHalford.tube. So let's open up a new tab and let's type in JustAlexHalford.tube. So if I hit enter, as you can see, it will land on my own YouTube page, as you can see right here, which looks really nice. And that works exactly the same for JustAlexHalford.tube/videos. That's obviously going to bring us to this page. As you can see right now, it looks very cool. And you can even create a subscription link. Then you want to type in / /sub_confirmation=1. Sounds very complicated, but it's pretty simple. As you can see, if I press enter, it will bring you to the page and ask people to subscribe. So I'm going to unsubscribe for a second. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to hit the URL, and if I press enter, it says confirm channel subscription, and then you can hit subscribe, and that way people can subscribe to your channel. And of course, what you can also do is JustAlexHalford.tube/about. If we hit enter, as you can see, we land on the about tab on our YouTube channel. It is really cool how you can redirect multiple links, and it is just an awesome platform. And you obviously on the website right here, you can just find your tube domain and see if it's available, and it's just an amazing website to get growth, to to grow fast on YouTube and grow easily using this domain system. So guys, if you want to give your YouTube channel and your career in general a kickstart to start growing, make sure to check out the first link in the description to get your hands on your own custom domain. I want to thank Live.tube for sponsoring, and let's continue with the video.
Are you tired of putting so much effort into your videos but nobody's watching them? I'm gonna give you guys a few tips to grow on YouTube.
So let's move on to step number 1.
We all know this same frustration when we're putting so much effort and time into our awesome videos, but they're nowhere to be found in the search results on YouTube, and they're barely getting any views. It is a well-known fact that YouTube is based about people wanting to be entertained, whether it is watching cooking videos or people want to learn something, for example, how to play the drums. So it's a really important step to have a good structure on your video, and that you are basically knowing where your audience is from, what they want to see and what they want to learn, how you can make that potential viewer even make them subscribe. So doing research is a really important step, so you will know what the video will be about and what your channel is be about as well.
And let's move on to step number 2.
How you're going to create your video is really important. The perfect thing to do, and the perfect strategy as well, is to show a little teaser after 5 to 7 seconds, because you have less than 10 seconds to make the viewer decide they want to stay or click away. So make around the best teaser that you can for about 5 to 7 seconds. Then you can add in a bumper that I always do on my videos as well, you know, the intro with a little cloud and stuff, and then the bumper, and then you can go ahead and start with the real video. So that's a really important thing. You want to also go ahead and add in some background music and make sure that your audio is nice and leveled so that it's not really hurting the ears of your viewers, and obviously a nice outro with call-out titles where you can put in a link to subscribe and other videos like that.
So let's move on to the last step, which is step number 3.
So once you have completed everything, you add in the intro, the bumper, your video, background music, and your outro, for example, and your video is completely finished, you can start exporting this video or rendering this video in any type of format. You can use 720p, 1080p, 60 fps, even 4K if you like, and then what you can do is upload that file. I want to mention that there are a few things you need to keep in mind that has to do with the YouTube algorithm. For example, when to publish your video, at which day and which time. So that's really important. So make sure that look where your audience is from. Let's say that your audience is from the United States. You want to also maybe you want to publish your video between 4 to 7 p.m. or you can even choose to release them at noon between 12 and 2 p.m. It really depends where your audience is from. For my views, for example, when the views are coming from all over the world, it is really difficult to actually predict the best upload time because since all your viewers have such different time zones. But the best thing I would recommend is upload your videos to 3 hours before your audience is public on the internet, which is 12 p.m. PST in my case. So that's a really important thing, at what day you upload your video and on which time, because Sunday is a really great day to upload because nobody's at work, nobody's at school, so Sunday is a great day to upload, but it depends on your audience. So once your video has finished uploading, don't make it public yet, just put it on private for a second, and then you can go ahead and add in a nice title. You can fill in the description and even the tags on YouTube, because how your video is found will be decided by the title, the description, and the tags, and also if the video is relevant and has good watch time, you know, all those different factors. But don't publish it right away. Find a great title, find a great description, and even some awesome dedicated tags that has to do with your video, and most importantly, a custom thumbnail. You can just go ahead and activate the custom thumbnails in your youtube.com/features. So you can just activate that feature and you can go ahead and start using custom thumbnails. You can use them and you can make them in Paint or Photoshop or anything like that and make them really attractive, and that's how you optimize your video. Just add in the custom thumbnail titles, everything like that, and then you can go ahead and schedule your video for the best time you can find for your viewers and even the best day. So once your video is published on the right time and the right day, it is time to promote your video. Now I want to make a disclaimer that spamming your videos 15 times a day on your timeline on Twitter is not going to generate you any more views. People can see that tweet and they will watch the video, but they don't want their timeline to be filled with your tweets even when they saw the video, and that can even lead to unfollowers or people not liking your Facebook page because they think you're too spammy. So it's a really important factor that you want to promote your videos once, maybe every 6 to 8 hours, because the temptation is really big to keep posting that same tweet, like check out my videos, check the video, I uploaded a new video. But that's what I would do, have at least 6 to 8 hours between every tweet of the same video, because people can get annoyed by that good and stupid way to gain unsubscribers or unfollowers because they are tired of your video and they have already seen it. You can tweet that, you can put it on your page on Google+, you can even create a community post if you have the community tab on your YouTube channel. So that's a really important thing, to also keep promoting the video that you've uploaded to gain a sustainable amount of views. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to share this video with anyone. That's it, and I'll see you guys obviously in my next video.